So what will the future of work look like?
I think we'll be facing a hybrid workplace with a strong growth in use of shared offices and hot desking. With more individualized careers, people will be hired differently. We will now be paid by task instead of by time. On the shorter term, the most popular jobs will be based on cybersecurity, customer relations specialist, and data analytics.
On the longer term, around 65% of jobs in the next decade don't even exist today.
Reduced employee commutes have shown to be economically beneficial and reduce carbon footprint. I see the changes talked about taking place in two phases. The first one being post-COVID and much shorter term. The second phase is where economic consequences really kick in and bigger changes are made. We will hire, dismiss, and meet people remotely, anywhere, anytime. We will strongly rely on things like Zoom calls. VR environments and AI will relate to most job functions. Nonetheless, we have to standardize these digital work platforms to avoid varying communication gaps and target expectations. There is also a need to improve individual skills, both working alongside technology and building on human skills.
One of the biggest issues with the remote working will be the lack of inclusivity due to differing financial situations.
Another issue will be the lack of opportunity for students and earlier generations to network. Finally, some jobs have yet to figure out how to perform without a minimum of in-person contact. Next, we must continue to encourage teamwork with decentralized types of decision-making. We must also involve employees in all stages of change with preparation and training for necessary alterations. Finally, we should continue to support developing technologies, whether that's teleconferencing, job simulations, social networks, or other IT inventions. It's absolutely key to be aware of what the future holds and understand the impacts it can have on the business workforce. My video should be helpful to do so and allow businesses to thrive in the changing future of work.